James, tell me about your coat.
Oh, now you're taking video with my memory card.
So, no, tell me about your coat. Why do you like that coat?
Because it's genetically modified geese that are necessary to build the coat. You gotta genetically modify the geese, then kill them, strip them, and fill the coat with them.
How warm is it?
$200 warm.
What's the outside made out of?
Cuban fiber. You gotta skin Cubans for it.
Well, that sounds expensive. I thought it was a trash bag. See how the light glimmers off of it.
No, it's made out of Cuban fiber. It's spelled B-I-N instead of B-E-N.
Cuban fiber.
You know, for legal reasons, so that you can't get sued for actually skinning the Cubans.
I see.
Yeah.